Baldi.
Who the hell are you?
I'm the new character in this episode.
Wow. Besides, what are you doing in here for?
In this episode.
Wow. Besides.
My God, something's wrong! Stop it!
Hi there, Baldi.
Who the hell are you?
Stop it!
Wow.
Hi there, Baldi.
Who the hell are you?
I'm the new character in this episode.
Wow. Besides, what are you doing in here for? What the? This is the second time a bird has landed on my head.
Oh, that's just bugs. It's just the Carolina ran that flew in my house last week.
Wow. Anyways, just get on my face, will ya? Man, this bird is honestly way cuter than that bird that pooped all over me last week. You're not doing what I think you're doing, are you? Oh, great. What a lovely day. Hey, what's that on my head? Oh no, I gotta tell Tyler about this. Tyler!
What is it? What?
There's a bird in the school!
But I don't see any birds flying in here. Oh, well.
Wow! What happened to you, Tyler? Wait, did you got pooped on by that bird?
Apparently I did.
What?
Are you alright, Baldi?
I'm alright this